Hello friends. Today I will tell you about a simple and really working way to get rid of aphid ants on your plants. And now let's move on to its preparation. For this we need a 3-gallon bucket. And laundry soap 72%. For those who did not know, this percentage means the content of fatty acids in soap. Therefore, the more, the better it copes with dirt and infections. And to prepare the solution, only a third part is required. We visually divide the soap into 3 parts, and mark it with some sharp object. Now this part needs to be crushed. To do this, I use a coarse grater. You can also just cut thin slices with a knife. And you need to grind it so that the soap dissolves quickly, and pour it like 5 pints of hot water or boiling water. This way the soap will dissolve much faster. You can use 72% liquid laundry soap. To do this, the same bucket will require 2 ounces of liquid laundry soap. Well, now that the soap has completely dissolved, there should not be any small particles left. We add water to the bucket and bring it up to 3 gallons and add another important ingredient. It is ammonia in a concentration of 10%. Pour the whole bottle into the bucket. I have it with a volume of 3 ounces. Mix quickly and pour into the sprayer so that the ammonia does not evaporate. Then we go and treat the plants affected by aphids and ants with this remedy. Since this cocktail is not chemistry, it does not absorb into the plants, but stays on the surface. Therefore, it is better to carry out the treatment either early in the morning or in the evening, but in no case should the treatment be carried out if there is a possibility of precipitation. Because the rain will wash it away. You need to process both the upper and lower surface of the leaves, right where the aphids live. This tool has the following effects on pests. Laundry soap acts as Velcro, and when it gets on the body of an aphid, it inflicts burns incompatible with life and they die. Because this soap contains a lot of alkali, and ammonia performs 3 functions at once. It destroys insects, repels ants with its specific smell, and also feeds the plant. Since ammonia contains a vital component for plants, such as nitrogen. This treatment for your plants should be carried out no more than once a week, until you get rid of aphids. But don't worry, once will be enough, if trees and shrubs are treated carefully. Therefore, friends to whom this information was useful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.